Still looking for Lee's. I don't know where she is. Have you seen her? Maybe we'll find the Tim tracker. Well, I've looked everywhere for my wife Lee's, and maybe she's under the sea. Let's go find out. Lee! Please? Are you over? Just keep going. Have you seen Lee's? Come back. I haven't finished talking to you. Hey, you. Oh. Can you see? Oh. Have you seen Lee's? Have you seen my wife anywhere? Anywhere? Have you seen her? No. Okay, sorry. You go back to work now. Thank you. Really? That was rude. Hey, have you seen my wife Louise? Have you seen her around anywhere? No? Okay, well, I'm still looking for her, so yeah, I know, she's hard to find. Thanks for watching. I know it's, I'll keep looking, okay? All right? Okay. Thank you. All right.
That looks like a tape. Yep, that's what it is. You know, no one's wear these on them. Stay with it, Claude. Stay with it. Yep, that was a card taker. A real nice one.
Hello.
You're right here on the.
Thank you. Whee. I'll put the brakes on. All right. Well, we have a shelter sale, and my wife is not around here yet. So if you see her, yell out, and hopefully we'll see her under the sea. Okay. Yay! Under the sea. Under the sea.
The story began when Ariel fell head over fins in love. It began when Ken tried as Sebastian to keep an eye on Ariel. When the Ken tried the whole land and
What's this? You've come to a stop.
Oh no!
Maybe it's that sea witch. Listen to me. Stay seated in your clamshell while I get to the bottom of this.
It was your fault, wasn't it? I thought so.
That's what this story's all about.
I bring good news. Your clamshells will begin moving immediately.
Woohoo!
She's now.
Please. Uh-oh. We're going under the sea. We're going under the sea. Look. Under the sea. Under the sea. Hey, it's a fish. Under the sea. Hey, look. No Lee's. That's not Lee's. That's Ariel. Please. Oh, there she is. Hey, Sebastian, I saw him. Look, Sebastian, I saw him. No Lee though. Where's Lee? Oh, I saw Sebastian was over there. See Sebastian everywhere, but no Lee.
It's okay to be talented back in your life where it belongs. We got so much down here. There's no reason to go up there.
Whoa, that's good.
These people wait for this.
Oh, stuff is happening. Stuff is happening. Under the sea.
It's better down where it's better to me from me.
Me.
Up on the shore there one day. Out in the sun this way. While we use water, floating under the sea. She's happy. It's off the winds there. Every shot they like it's happy. When they said goes the but fish in the morning's lucky. And for hours something. One day when they just get hungry, yes you gonna be a big day. Oh no, under the sea. Under the sea. Nobody beat us, fry us, and eat us, drink us, feed. We want the land folks lost the cook. Under the sea, we out the hook. We got no troubles, life is memories under the sea. Under the sea, since life is free, we undefeated. Watch this, you've come to a stop. Maybe it's that sea witch. Listen to me. Stay seated in your cloud shell while I get to the bottom of this.
Still haven't seen Lee's.
I bring good news.
Oh, really?
Your cloud shell to begin moving immediately.
Yeah.
Stay in your seats now.
Please, where are you?
It's better down where it's better to me from me. Up on the shore, out in the sun, let's fade away. I'm already floating, floating under the sea. It's happy, it's up to the waves, here's open. But if fish on the land, it's happy. But they said goes the Indian gold. But fish in the bowl is lucky. And for hours of fate. One day when they just get hungry, yes, you gonna be a big day. Under the sea.
That was Ariel.
Under the sea.
Oh no, flounder is getting beat up by another fish.
Folks lost the cook. Under the sea, way out there.
All right. I love the sex man. Yay. Oh no.
Try to Ursula. Ursula has great power.
No, Ursula. No, Ursula. We don't need to find Leaf with Ursula. Oh.
Princess was friends and that's why I just
Ursula.
I even feel the pastor in the nasty. Never can really much. Which was why the days I've handed always repentance in the light of the switch drugs. Oh, unfortunate souls in
Please, there you leave.
Everyone wants to get the girl, do I have her?
Please, indeed. Please, is that you? See? Hey, he's got legs. He's got legs. All right. How are you looking under the sea? Really? La 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 la.
the white sky gonna
Kiss me, girl.
la 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 in that side Disney
Aw, they didn't kiss. Oh, Ursula, getting angry. What's happening? Why is Ursula getting angry? Oh, are they gonna kiss? Oh, big heart. Yay! Look, they're married. Sebastian.
A princess. A human princess. Well, that's the way I remember it.
Oh,
What was I?
still no leaves.
Right. And they all
No leaves. We saw Ariel, we saw Sebastian, we saw Flounder, but we didn't find leaves. Well, carry on. Oh, keep watching. Maybe in the future we'll find my wife leaves. We'll have a whole search in the Magic Kingdom pit carrying on, so don't hesitate to keep watching.